Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hi everyone, welcome to Kisan Tiffin Timetable Season 2. I'm Rashmi Naik, and as you know, we're here to share recipes with you for every single school day. Today we're going to make mango bread pudding. Now this is a delicious treat to end a school week. So come along and let's see how to make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin. So we're going to make the custard to begin with. I have 1.5 cups of milk. Now I'm not going to put all of this in because I'm going to mix the custard powder in some of it. Now while the milk heats, I'm going to mix 3 tablespoons of Brown and Polson custard powder in it. Just make sure you mix it really well so that your custard doesn't get too clumpy. So I'm ready to put this into the milk. Now this is where you want to give full attention because your custard can very quickly get these lumps. So the custard's done, it's nice and thick. At this point I'm going to turn the burner off. And now to this I'm going to add 4 generous tablespoons of Kissan Mango Jam. Now this is made from real Alfonso mangoes, so give it a good mix. The jam's going to lend all the sweetness to the custard, and we'll leave it here for a minute while I arrange the baking tray with the bread in it. Now we're going to put the bread in the baking dish. I'm going to smear it with just very little butter. I'm going to add 4 slices of bread which I've cut into halves. Now that makes a perfect serving. It goes into the greased pan, and all we have to now do is just pour the custard on top of the bread. Just coat it really well, and I'm going to pop this into the OTG which has been heated at about 175 degrees centigrade. So I'm just making sure that all the bread slices are nicely dunked in the custard. So the mango bread pudding is all ready, and I'm ready to serve it now. About 4 slices make 1 serving, so you want to keep that in mind. So I'm going to place this in the tiffin box now, and to this we're going to add some makhana today. And we've got some cashew nuts. So before we end this, there's another element I want to add to this, which are some nice freshly cut mangoes. I hope you've liked all 5 recipes that I've shown you this week. Do subscribe to India Food Network for more of these, and I'll be back to show you how to make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.